Power ball.
What's Daddy doing?
Boom.
You almost smashed the dog.
I didn't smash the dog.
What's that teddy bear doing?
That's why she loves the bear so much.
Johnny.
She can smash the bear now.
Hi.
Oh, red light. Say hi, Zoe.
Zoe.
Well, she knows the camera, doesn't she?
does.
Zoe. Boom.
She's laughing hard, wasn't she?
Yes, she does.
And she says, I see the camera now.
Ooh, killed the bee.
Boom.
No, it doesn't work that way anymore.
It might.
Boom. Boom.